Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, October 10th, and what a day it is. We're looking at the S&P here. We had a pretty big sell-off today from 6,800 all the way down. We're at 6,650 right now, coming into our next big support zone, which is between 6,600 and 66 and a quarter. So keep an eye on that. We're coming into the support now. It's gotten pretty extended. This broke down through support this morning up at the 6750 level and just took off like, well, just dropped like a rock in a pond. It fell through the floor. This is on the back of President Trump coming out and saying that they're going to have tariffs or massive tariffs coming for China because China is retaliating against us with rare earths, essentially. So what we're looking for, though, it's not all bearish. So when you look at this and where we went with the S&P, yes, the S&P is down, but if you pull up stocks like the metals company, materials company, MP, this is something that we're in long right now that has played out. We were actually in it before the news and then added to it on this first dip down to the VWAP, and it's played out really well. I'm still holding this position and looking for this to continue to climb next week because we do have a daily and weekly breakout occurring today. So looking for more upside there, and this is directly related to that tariff news because they specialize in rare earths. So not a bad move overall there. Again, it's not all red, but it did send the markets into risk off, and we were due for a pullback, honestly, with the broad market. So it's not too surprising that we did get that big of a pullback. It's just surprising that it happened in a matter of 30 minutes or so, about a 100-point drop. So that's it for today, though. I hope it helps. I will see you in the next one. Again, keep in mind, if on a Friday we have a big sell-off like this, you're typically going to sell again on Monday. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're down again on Monday, down into that support around the 6,600 level, another 50 points below where we are. So just be careful with what you're swinging. We've been sitting on cash here for a while, or not all cash, but a larger cash position than usual. So we're going to be deploying a lot of that on Monday, looking for some longer-term entries for potential swing trades. But that's it for today. Hope it helps. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.